Trying to share your screen on Discord, only for viewers to see a black screen. Yeah, that's a frustrating issue, and it's more common than you might think. The good news is that Discord screen share black screen problems are usually caused by settings, drivers, or app conflicts. In this guide, I'll walk you through the best fixes. First, completely close Discord and reopen it. If the black screen remains, restart your computer. A quick reboot can often clear temporary glitches affecting screen sharing. Next, try running Discord as an administrator. Elevated permissions can help Discord access and capture applications more reliably. For some apps and games, Discord captures audio and video more effectively when you share a specific application window instead of your entire screen. Give that a try and see if it resolves the issue. Hardware acceleration can sometimes interfere with screen sharing. Open Discord settings, disable hardware acceleration, and restart the app to apply the changes. Outdated graphics drivers are another common cause of black screen issues. Check for updates from your graphics card manufacturer and install the latest drivers available. Some screen recorders, overlays, or antivirus programs can interfere with Discord screen sharing. Temporarily close these apps and test screen sharing again. This simple step often solves the problem, and that's how to fix Discord screen share black screen issues. By adjusting settings, updating drivers, and removing conflicts, you can usually get screen sharing working again in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully your viewers can see your screen clearly now. Thanks for watching.